As you can see over there, that is former Rowan Company building. It is European style colonial era building, and this white color building is Yangon City Hall. It is one of the iconic landmark in Yangon City. And over there, that golden stupa is Sule Pagoda. This is the independence monument of Myanmar. Burmese girls are taking photographs. They look beautiful. People are eating food here. Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you are well and enjoying your weekend. It's around 12 p.m. and the temperature is 29 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am walking around a park named Maha Bandula Park located in downtown Yangon. Let's walk. As you can see, this is the independence monument of Myanmar. This is a significant park in downtown Yangon. People come here for walking, jogging and recreation. In the holidays, especially in Saturday and Sunday, people come here with friends and family. They get together and enjoy the atmosphere. As you can see, this is a beautiful park surrounded with various green trees. These are lion statue. As you can see over there, that is a former High Court building which was established during British colonial time. It was designed by a Scottish architect. As you can see, people are taking photographs here. This is a very nice and peaceful park. Over there, that is a church for Christian community. The name of this church is Emmanuel Baptist Church. People are enjoying Sunday holidays here. They are chit-chatting, taking photographs and selfies. As you can see over there, that is former Rowan Company building. It is European style colonial era building, and this white color building is Yangon City Hall. It is one of the iconic landmark in Yangon City. And over there, that golden stupa is Sule Pagoda, which is more than 2,500 years old pagoda. It is an iconic landmark of Yangon City. Over there, those are some high-rise buildings. These are office towers. Various corporate offices are located there. Over there, that is Pullman Hotel. It is a luxurious hotel. Have a look at the surrounding atmosphere. It's really a beautiful park. There are lots of green trees surrounded this park. The park is well maintained, neat and clean. There are lots of green plants here. This is a paradise of green trees and plants. Yangon is a green city. People come here with friends. They are taking photographs here. This is the Independence Monument of Myanmar. Burmese girls are taking photographs. They look beautiful. This is the ultra-wide angle view of this park. This is really a well-maintained and well-organized park. People are coming with friends. People can sit under the tree and take rest here. That is the main entrance of the park. People are entering into the park. People are eating food here. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.